Welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize widgets on Apple Watch Ultra 3. First of all, on your watch face, swipe down to the very bottom of the widgets list until you see the edit button. Tap on it, and now to add a new widget, tap the plus icon right here, then select one of the available widgets you can see at the top, or select an application from which you want to add a widget, then select the available widget and tap on it, and this way you can add new widgets. As you can see, you can also pin widgets by tapping the pin icon in the top right corner of the widget, and you can remove them by pressing the red circle icon. And you can also scroll to the very bottom and see the suggestion, the widget suggestions, which also appear on your widgets list. But you can disable them by selecting widget suggestions and switching this feature off. But if you don't want to switch it off, you can also turn on or off the smart stack hints in here, and you can also change widget suggestion settings for each application that you have on your watch by selecting an application and toggling widget suggestion for this specific app. And that's basically all the ways that you can manage your widgets. To apply setting changes, press the icon in the top left corner of the screen, and then your widgets will be customized. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.